Fernando de Noronha and Baía do Sancho. Imagine a place where turquoise waters meet towering cliffs draped in vibrant green, where each sunrise feels like a personal invitation from nature itself. Welcome to Fernando de Noronha, a breathtaking archipelago off the coast of Brazil. This hidden gem is a sanctuary for marine life and a haven for eco-tourists. And in the heart of this paradise lies Baía do Sancho, repeatedly crowned the most beautiful beach in the world. Here, the crystal-clear waters and pristine sands create a mesmerizing landscape that captivates every visitor, making it a must-visit destination for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Fernando de Noronha is made up of 21 islands, yet only the main island is inhabited. This archipelago, located in the Atlantic Ocean, is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. The islands are renowned for their stunning landscapes, pristine beaches, and vibrant marine life. The entire region is a protected marine sanctuary, earning UNESCO World Heritage status. This designation helps to preserve its unique ecosystems and ensures that the natural beauty of the islands remains unspoiled for future generations. Its waters are so clear that you can easily spot sea turtles, rays, and dazzling schools of fish. Snorkeling and diving here offer an unparalleled experience, allowing you to get up close and personal with the vibrant underwater world. But the real showstopper is Baía do Sancho. Often ranked as one of the best beaches in the world, it offers breathtaking views and a serene atmosphere. Enveloped by high cliffs and lush vegetation, its fine golden sands contrast beautifully with the crystalline sea. The beach is a haven for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Getting there is an adventure in itself. You'll navigate a narrow staircase carved into the cliffs, instantly making you feel like you've stumbled upon a secret cove few are lucky enough to see. The journey down is as thrilling as the destination, adding to the allure of this hidden gem. Now picture yourself wading into water so transparent you can see fish darting around your feet. The water is so clear, it feels like you're walking on glass, with the vibrant marine life welcoming you into their world. Envision floating beside gentle sea turtles, gliding through the azure depths as time stands still. These majestic creatures move with such grace, making you feel like you're part of an underwater ballet. Whether you crave a thrilling diving experience or a moment of pure serenity, Baía do Sancho delivers. Dive deep to explore vibrant coral reefs or simply relax on the pristine sands, letting the sound of the waves wash over you. The unmatched beauty of this beach has earned it global acclaim year after year, consistently ranking among the world's best. Its crystal-clear waters and lush surroundings create a paradise that feels almost otherworldly. But mere pictures can't capture the sense of awe that rushes over you when you stand at the edge of this natural wonder. The panoramic views, the sound of the ocean, and the feeling of the breeze combine to create an unforgettable experience. Ready to explore this hidden gem for yourself? Subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Hit that like button if you're already captivated by Fernando de Noronha's magic, and share this video with anyone who dreams of a sun-kissed escape. Your adventure to the world's most beautiful beach is just beginning.